anyị abụ m Amalinze JJ Azị. Anyị bịara ụka Igbo nke ndị Nigerian Igbo Catholic Association nọ na Atlanta taa bụ ọnwa nke 9 ya bụ Septemba, mgbe mkpụrụ ụbọchị dị na 8. Onye ọbịa anyị nwere n'ụlọ ụka taa bụ nnukwu ụkọchukwu Archbishop Hartmayer, nke bụ nnukwu ụkọchukwu na-elekọta mgbamgba ụka ya bụ diocese nke Atlanta dum. Ọ bịara wee soro ndị Igbo wee kaa ụka nke anyị na-aka otu ugboro n'ọnwa.
So I think that thing is going to catch fire. I hope we'll continue to do that. So, Bishop, these are Nigerians. Nigerian developers and Ghana. So today you get a chance to taste Nigerian developers. And hopefully you will witness the fact that Nigerian developers is better. Again, we have so many appeals to tell them before the bishop, but I'm sure you guys will agree with me that he made our case for us. Yes. So, just for historical purposes, the Igbo were a tribe from the eastern part of Nigeria, and from what you say in your company, it's obvious that you're quite aware about Nigeria. Now, what the bishop said is that he's been to Conferring and Igbo. That's where he's visited. So, Igbo is not too far from the east. So, the reference that we have for this faith in your position, he postponed his traveling back to Nigeria so he can witness. And also, he has a reputation. In our culture, there are two things that we do to acknowledge your work. One is breaking up the phone, which we are going to do downstairs, and also giving you a title in our native language. But I told the bishop in the time, we have it today. Hopefully we'll keep it for, not for the rest of the day, but we'll keep it for some time. Can I get you guys to bring 2-3 chairs in front of you? Facing the congregation. Schools like tribe, rich in culture. We are very hardworking, very law-abiding. You hear on the news that Nigerians are the most educated immigrants in the United States. Out of that percentage that you hear or read about, 80% come from this tribe. Is that true? Everybody that you see here belongs to a parish, in Metro Atlanta. But once a month, we gather here to celebrate Mass in our language, to preserve our culture and our language. So the reason why we're coming to see you is to fulfill that position that has been vacant by the transition of people. After the Mass, whenever you give us appointments, we'll come to your office and formalize what needs to be done so we have a chapel. So by your presence today, we want you to see what NICCA is all about. And hopefully you have some love. If I could just get you to sit in the middle chair, all right? And then we're going to do what we do. You take the back and back. Then when you come down to the basement for social hours, you wear that. And you will testify different. Alright? So now I'm going to call on His Royal Highness Igwe Azokanodi to take it from here and let's make it speak about 5 minutes. It's not going to be 5 hours. I promise. Once you're right, they know exactly what they're doing. And I'm sure it will protect you if we go astray.
right people conference. What we do, we're not going to do the ceremony now.
No. No, it's coming.
That is so that when you're coming down, when you're coming down, come down to the garden. We enjoy the dance. Yes, very much. Your Grace. We have Archbishop Gregory John Hartmayer, the Archbishop of Atlanta. His name from now on among the Igbos will be Nwannedinamba. Okay, Nwannedinamba means we have a relation in another life. But when it was, and I have a brother in another life, and that our brother is you. So, with the powers conferred on me by our race and our people, I hereby declare you Chief Nwannedinamba. We'll wait for you downstairs to pick it.
Ndị be anyị n'ụlọụka St. Anthony of Padua ka anyị nọ taa. Nnukwu ụkọchukwu nke Atlanta kara anyị ụka. Igwe Azụka Ngọdị bụ onye si Nigeria gbagote wee chee ya echichi. Aha o nyere ya bụ Nwannedinamba. Ndị be anyị unu hụrụ mmemme a ka o siri wee gaa. Ọ bụ Amalinze Jeje Azị na-ewetara unu ozi a n'ihe ihe sitere na ụlọ ọrụ ndị Amalinze Igbo Educational ka a ga-achịkwa na mmemme ka fọrọ afọ.
Well done. At the movement. What's in there?
Not bad. You're right. Nah, you look good. Yeah, keep my partner. Nah.